This video is most importantly for the people who I stayed in contact or get in contact with, or people who have contacted me or DM me that, bro, how do I make money? How do I make money? Also, everyone can watch this because this will be a critical thinking about making money. How can one make money? Yeah, my name is Robert George. I'm building personal brands. I already generated $6,000 with less than 1,000 followers. Yeah, guys, I don't live in Dubai, so maybe you will not care about me, because I know that if I would shown that I would live in Dubai, you would care about me because you care about this lifestyle. But I'm not living there, but I have some knowledge about money. If you're interested in that, let us go and learn about money. Firstly, this video will not be edited. This video will be a raw video where I talk about some things which I have in mind about money, and this will be a critical thinking series. So, how do we critical think? We remove ourselves. So money, I don't care about if we have money or we don't have any money. This is the first step in order to start critical thinking. Now let's go to the next step, which is, can I write here? Yes, I can. So, breaking down money, breaking down the objects of money. So, what kind of objects does money have? So money, let's say we have someone who gives money and we have someone who takes. Why? Because you cannot create money. You cannot, because that's illegal. The word or the sentence that I make money, that's also not true, because you cannot make money. You can only take money from someone, because if you would make money, you would be thrown into jail. So, we have two objects here. Of course, critical thinking, next step is object. I promise you, if you get to the end of this, you will know how to make money. I will promise you. Next thing, money. How do we make money? Someone gives money, someone takes money. Of course, this is easy. But what is the relationship between the givers and the takers? Well, that's pretty easy. Someone gives and it gets the taker. But is that it? Because if we just think about the relationship of these objects, think about it. There's someone who gives, let's say, $1,000 or 1K to someone. That's a gift or what? Like, just there's something that just, does that thing exist that someone just gives to another person money? I don't think so. Something needs to happen back. And this is the most important for you. This is a problem solving. Of course, I cannot talk English correctly because it's my first language, but solving a problem for someone. Just think about it. You cannot make money if you don't understand this. Problem solving. Why? Because money is made when value is created. Value is created when pain is eliminated, and pain is eliminated when problems are solved. So how do we make money? By solving problems. This is the first principle of understanding money. So how do we make money? Someone needs to give us money, of course. But who gives us money? The giver. But why does the giver give us money? Because we solve a problem. That's basically how we make money. Of course, you haven't thought about this. Like, there's no chance that you have already thought about this, because then you would be making money and you wouldn't be watching this video. Or if you have thought about this, now let's go to the next step. What is also required in order for us to make money? Well, someone needs to have pain. There needs to be a person who is in pain. If that person has a pain, it means that there is a solution. If there is a solution, that tells us that we can solve it. If we can solve it, we can make money. That's it. This is how you make money. You search for someone who have already made money and what? Sorry, this is not a correct sentence. You search for someone who has a pain you search for someone who has pain in their lives. When you got someone who has pain, then you're going to create a solution for it. You're going to tell them that you're going to solve that problem, and you're going to solve it by taking money and solving that problem. This is how you make money. And I can't understand and I can't interpret the people who just DM me or talk to anyone in order. I just can't. I can't understand the people who just want to make money and they don't understand this, because if you want to make money, how do you want to make money? I have to understand that you need to solve a problem in order to make money, because nobody will give you money if you don't solve a problem. Like, why would I give you any money if you can't help me with my pain? Solve me a problem I have, which is the pain. Solve me something and I will give you money. And that's how you make money. Like the people who just tell me that, Robert, I don't know how to make money, please teach me how to make money. Solve a problem. Solve a pain. Like this is it. Search for a pain and solve it. How do you make money? That's it. Solve a problem. That's it. And this is money. That's it. I don't have to say anything for money, because this is how you make money. If you want to make money, you will make money. There is nothing else that has to be said here. Just drop this. Do you want to make money? Yes. Then let me show you what you will do. Like, this is a perfect example of how you will make money. If you truly want to make money, this will be your perfect example for you to make money. Firstly, what you're going to do is search for people. Search for, let's say, a group of people, at least with 30,000 people, who all has a pain. If you found someone who has pain, that's great. Of course, what is the pain? It could be, let's say, gym owners, because that's an easy thing. Not getting clients. Now, with this done, let's go to the next step, which is looking for a solution for that pain. You can do these things. You can read about the pain, and you can read about how to solve that pain, or you can ask people who already solved this pain in their lives and ask them how they did it. So you can interview them, like interview. Or what you can do is just simply search on the Google. And when you have the information, in order to solve that pain, what you're going to do is that you're going to package it. You're going to create a box, which is your offer, which is solving that pain. And what you're going to do is you're going to show this to these people. And that's it. This is how you make money. Of course, creating an offer is a bit harder. I can tell you some things about it. But this is how you make money. Like, this is how you make money. This is it. Search. This is how you make money. Search for people who have a problem, solve that problem by gathering information, package it into an offer, and show it to the people that they have a problem with. Show it to the people who have a problem with that. Show it to the people who have a problem. That's it. So let me tell you some simple things about offers. It looks like this. This is current situation. This is some action steps. Desired outcome. Here's the rail, and here's the trampoline. This is how an offer looks like. So let me talk about this. This is the current situation. The current situation that the client or the lead is in right now. This is it. That's how it looks like. And they have a goal. Or this could be a goal, or this could be a pain eliminated. The desired outcome is when they don't have pain. So, of course, how can you make money is these two ways, like how can you help people and make money is that you may move them away from pain or move them to pleasure. Like this is pain, and this is pleasure. This is how you make, this is the two ways how you can make money. Now, I don't do this. You're going to take a look at their current situation, what kind of pain they have or what kind of pleasure they want to get. Of course, that's it. You're going to create the desired outcome where they want to get either a goal, like a pleasure, like having a six-pack, or a pain which could be being obese and fat. This is the difference, like six-pack, it's good to have, but obesity is bad. Now, if you have this in your offer, like where are they and where they want to get, you need to create action steps. What do I mean by this? What kind of action your leads and clients need to do in order to go to the next step, in order to go to their goal, to their desired outcome. This is the main point. Like, let's say it would be a six-pack or obesity because it's better. Like, first thing which would be fixing diet, or next thing would be starting to do cardio, and XYZ. What kind of action steps your clients and leads need to take in order to get to the desired outcome. Now here comes their railing. The railing is the help that you're going to offer them. What do I mean by this? So let's say there is someone who are going upwards and they're very unbalanced on the stairs, like maybe an old fellow. And as they're going upwards, they need something so they can grab if they would fall. Let's say, like this is metaphorically how it would happen, like this client of yours are going to go upwards, and there's a chance that they will fall down from your action steps. Now, what you need to have in order for them so they don't fall is the railing. And what is the railing? The railing is help or some kind of actionable thing for your clients. Now, for diet, fixing the diet, a railing can be pre-written diets. Like let's say keto diet, pre-written how to do it, or carnivorous, I don't know how to write that down. You know, eating only meat. and these kind of diets, wrote them down into a piece of paper so they can understand. This is the railing that they can grab onto in order what they need to do to go to your desired outcome. This is just help for them. And here we have the trampoline. The trampoline. The trampoline is for the people who actually fall. And what do I mean by this? People have this mental framework of they fear buying something because they fear that they are going to be worse than they have started. And this is when the trampoline comes in. So let's say your client just falls down. The trampoline makes them bounce back either to their current situation or one or two steps into your offer. And this is the trampoline. This is very important. This could be guarantees or guarantee, or this could be anything which makes them stay on track and makes them have the belief of they are not going to be worse than they have started. And that's basically it. This is how you create an offer. I have a different video about it. If I miss something, you can check that out also. So yeah, I do think that nobody will watch the video through this point, but you need to understand that if you want to make money, you can. It's not a question. I'm 19 years old. I have little to no knowledge, or right now I have better knowledge than before, but when I started, I had little to no knowledge. What I mean is that I was 18 years old, I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to start a company, I didn't know anything. What I knew is that I want to make money. And how I did it is that I learned everything in order for me to start a business and start making money. And with my agency, with consistency, I started generating thousands of dollars. And right now with my personal brand, and that's where I generate $6,000. That's it. Let's go.